Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Aren't one-pot recipes amazing? Besides not washing too many pots and pans, the other plus is the layers of flavor built into the dish. I love making them, and it shows, as I have over 100 recipes on the website. Here's one, perfect for fall and winter. My delicious Moroccan Lamb Couscous. With a variety of vegetables and seasonings, this colorful meal is incredibly tasty. It's also a 30-minute recipe. So let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add ground lamb and break it into small pieces. I know I say that each time, but I really do like this kitchen tool. Of course, we'll season the meat with ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll keep cooking it until no longer pink, about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, using a slaughter spoon, we'll transfer the meat to a bowl and set aside for now. There will be some liquid left behind, but not so much fat. And because we don't want to boil our vegetables, we'll discard most of it and only keep 1 tablespoon at the most. We don't want to get rid of all the flavor from the meat, right? We'll add just a little bit of oil, not too much, and when it gets hot, we'll add onions as well as carrots. We'll season more with ground sea salt and saute them for 4 minutes. To this, we'll add red peppers and saute for just 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, we'll add zucchini and cook for 4 minutes. Then comes the minced ginger and the pressed garlic. If you want to chop yours, go ahead. We'll quickly saute these two for only 1 minute before returning the meat with any accumulated juices. I'm telling you right now, there won't be much. We'll now season with ras el hanout, followed by ground cumin, ground turmeric, which is super good for us, and also hot paprika. We'll mix the ingredients until nicely incorporated and then add 2 cups of couscous. We'll then pour in the chicken broth, although vegetable broth is a great option. We'll stir until the couscous is well coated and increase the heat to medium-high. As soon as we start seeing little bubbles forming around the edges, we'll cover and reduce the heat to medium-low. We'll simmer gently for 10 minutes. When cooking time is up, we'll add a can of chickpeas, some raisins, as well as toasted slivered almonds, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll stir all the ingredients until blended and sprinkle on some fresh cilantro before serving. And my friends, this is our Moroccan Lamb Couscous. This one-pot dish is incredibly flavorful. With a great combination of ingredients, this is a gorgeous 30-minute recipe I'm sure you'll enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!